bright sunny morning on Sodor.
The engines like to do what Sir Topham Hatt tells them. It makes them really useful.
But one day, Sir Topham Hatt came to see the engine.
Everybody, I'd just like to tell you that the new engine has arrived.
Who's the new engine gonna be?
What's the new engine's name?
At last, the new engine arrived. But she didn't look friendly. But that's the new engine gazed. Stupid nonsense. I wouldn't have bought them if I'd known. I could have a breakdown or something. Well, I'm glad you didn't. This would have been worse if the new engine would break down or something. And why you're new here? Would you like to show me other things too?
No thanks. I'd rather off work alone. Now I'd be on my way.
As the new engine went away.
Bossy buffers. I'll show her. The new engine snored at the shunting yard.
As Thomas saw a duck.
What's with the new engine?
She's just soaking here at the shunting yard, not even trying to help me with some of the trucks.
I'll get ready to show someone who's best.
I'm going after to see what they're gonna do. Better be careful with that, Thomas. Edward was busy shunting when the new engine arrived. You are ashamed. Well, if you're just saying you're just quite ashamed, why are you taking on me? Because one day I should leave this railway once. How rude.
But in that eventual time, Thomas saw Percy.
Something must be wrong with the new engine. Maybe she's like too angsty at least for us engines to help out.
So that's why I'm gonna have to go get them out right away. Thomas felt very relieved about Percy because he felt thinking that many new engine was sort of a self-deal. Thomas has to think of the new engine for a moment. All along, he had been thinking of the new engine and to think of her manners more. Duchess is backing up safely with her coaches.
I do heard about this new engine, but we're gonna have to. I have a plan to trap her. Maybe tonight.
Tonight? That sounds like a good plan. Follow me, and I'll teach you everything.
As the Duchess left the coaches, at first followed. Gordon was picking up Sir Topham's hat when the new engine wheeshed.
Sheesh, Penny.
The new engine's name is Penny?
Yes, she was being a new engine for our railway. But we've been saying much that, the other engines are making rumors that she's sulking. Indeed.
As Percy arrived to tell Gordon all about the rumors.
You look glum, little Percy.
Duchess says that Penny is like angsty.
Disgraceful. She wouldn't be that way.
However, me and Duchess had a plan to trap her. Since they're pretty much soon anyway.
That evening, Duchess's plan had came. As Penny, the new engine, stood sulkingly up. The big and blustery storm had happened. We sure hope to be safe here. But Connor was wrong. The ship was leading to a huge disaster. The engines were trapped. Help! I can't. Later, it was 5 o'clock when Sir Topham Hatt arrived.
Well, this storm sure teaches you a lot to know about. But this is what caused the trouble here. Penny, I am aware to say this that you have to be owned up for all of this.
Please, sir, give me another chance and bring Gordon and Caitlin to rescue me and tell them I'm sorry I was rude to them.
I'd have to see about that.
Then Gordon and Caitlin bought floating cranes.
Don't worry there, Penny. We'll get you out.
Soon they lifted Penny up. And with the ship pulled away, the engines were finally free. That storm sure indeed teached Penny how. Well, I'm sorry I was rude to your guys. I won't do it again. We all forgive you, Penny. But from now on, would you like to go out and take some coaches and then work out the shunting yard at times? Penny was delighted.
Now Penny was as good as new.
As in she is now loyal to shunting yard, as the truck should give her big respect. Penny would somehow agree on that. As if now Penny had moved with